Gina! Gina, where's my food?
And what kind of stupid question is that?
Gina, please, just please. I'm too hungry right now to do this with you. I bought food earlier. I put it in the fridge so that I could eat it later and it's not there. So what happened to it?
So somehow you think providing me with all this boring information is going to trigger me to do what exactly? Remember what your food is? I told you already, I don't know. So please, get out.
Gina, we're the only ones in this house.
Oh, are we? I had no idea.
Listen, I don't have strength for this. Just tell me where the food is, please.
Can you leave my space, please? What is wrong with you? Oh, okay, you don't want to go, right? You know, I think I remember. Why don't you check the trash can? Let's see what you can find.
Gina, you threw my food in the trash.
I did. Actually, it was smelling like trash. So I had to, you know, exactly the way you smell.
Gina!
Excuse me?
Are you talking to me? Am I the one you're talking to?
Are you blind or something? Can't you see you're obstructing my path?
Well, the way I see it, you're in my way as well. So it's either you step aside and let me pass. That's the only option.
You know, you must be very stupid to think I will actually do that.
Okay, then we can both stay here.
Don't let me push you.
Push me? Really? You want me to push me?
I see, huh? You wanted the hard way, huh? Let's see how you cope. We're both gonna be here.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry. You know, you're very rude. And at this rate, it will be difficult for you to get a man.
Oh, and who asked you?
Nobody. I'm just a good person, dishing out free advice. Because it's people like you 10 years from now who will be running from church to church, wondering who tied your man. And who knows if I was destined to marry you? But at this rate, with this your attitude, I don't think I want to do that.
Wait, you actually think I want to marry you?
Don't tell me you haven't thought about it. Come on, you know that's all you think about.
You know, I already know you're delusional. But I didn't know you were sick in the head as well. You need a psychiatrist.
And you need to be groomed. Because, like I said before, very soon you start running from pillar to post looking for a man.
You know what? I'm going to be the bigger person, and I'll step aside for you to pass.
Oh, wait. Why? Are you tired? Because I can stay here all day. I'm not tired.
Enjoy your show, please.
I'm not tired at all.
Can you pass, please?
I thought you had guts. I thought you were going to stand there all day. Oh.
What is my crime? What did I do? 5 years of my life, what did I do?
I'm so sorry. Gina, I'm sorry. I don't even know what to say to you. Gina, listen to me. You have to put it together. You have to hold it together. All right? Gina.
If my baby wasn't going to marry, why did he propose? Why was he with me for that long? What did I do? What did I do? Why did he leave me at the altar to marry someone else?
I don't know.
This is the end for me. This is the end for me. I can't take this.
This is not the end for you. Please don't say this. This is not the end. This cannot be the end of the world. Gina, listen to me. You are a strong girl. Put it together, all right? Just hold it together. Just pick your pieces and, I don't know, you can start life afresh. Gina.
How?
Gina, you can make it.
How?
Gina, listen to me. Gina, listen to me. Emeka wants to see you broken. He wants to see you down, all right? Your best revenge is to be strong and put him to shame, okay? Listen, I might just have a way out of this. Gina, are you listening to me? G, I have a way out of this. Why not come with me to Lagos? All right, relocate, like leave the city, put everything, the memories of the city, put it behind you. Come with me, all right, and start a new life. How can I start all over? How? Gina, I'm so sorry. Gina, I'm sorry. Gina, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say.
So here we are.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Come on, I mean, looking at your space for that amount, it's quite cheap.
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
I guess I was just lucky.
Obviously. I'm really sorry I wasn't here to help you unpack. Of course, I was really busy at the office. By the time I knew it, it was too late. But I'm sorry.
It's okay. I settled in well.
Obviously. So how do you love your new environment?
I think I like it here. This is exactly what I needed.
Of course. I know you're a strong girl. Come on. Let's cheers to beautiful women becoming independent and strong.
Cheers to more beautiful years of friendship.
Of course. Cheers.
And cheers to not giving a damn about love and men.
Ha, babe. You go hold your glass cheers by yourself. Which one be that? I see, I'm not in my year. I better go, you're alone.
So
I'm not
tell
going to
me,
be part of that.
how's work?
Work is good.
Who is that knocking on the gate? Are you the one that bought the gate for me? My boss!
Hassan.
Morga, good morning, sir.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, is this you?
Yeah, of course it's me. Who else would it be?
Sir, it's been like 5 years I've seen you last.
Yeah, I know.
I've missed you so much.
Yeah, I'm jet lagged. I'm really jet lagged, Hassan. The house is open, yeah?
It is, sir, but there
Yeah,
is...
just bring my bag. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you? How did you break into my room like that? Are you mad?
Your room? Are you kidding me? What, your room?
You must be very stupid to ask me that kind of question. Get out of my room!
What the hell is
Get
going on?
out!
Don't push me! Hey,
Get
don't push me! Don't push me! What? Don't push me!
Hey, cuz. My one and only cuz. How are you? And how is your
No, don't cause me, bro. What have you done with my house?
Your house? Wait, are you in Nigeria?
What sort of stupid question is that?
Sorry, I don't mean it like that.
You better start talking.
The thing is, I needed this money urgently to sort out the guy I was owing, and then the guy was on my neck. So I had to rent out your house.
Without telling me?
I knew you would never agree to it. Besides, I thought you weren't coming back anytime soon, and the house was just there empty. I decided just to rent it out and sort myself.
I don't get it, Shola. So you let out my room, my personal room.
She insisted on the room. I didn't have any other choice. I had to move your stuff to the opposite room.
Shola?
I am sorry, cuz. I didn't think you were coming back anytime soon.
I don't get it. So that's your justification for letting a total stranger into my house? A total stranger?
Oh, I am sorry, okay? That guy was threatening me and the house was just there. What was I supposed to do?
Well, you get a job. That's what normal people do. Now, how many times have I sent you money this year? But you squander the money and you even borrow from people. Look, I've told you, you need to grow up. You're not a kid any longer and you need to start taking responsibility.
Fine, okay, I hear you. Trust me, I've changed now.
Yeah, that's what you keep saying.
No, I mean it this time.
That's your business. I need to talk to my lawyer. What?
Hello?
Hello?
I thought you promised this place is safe.
Of course it is.
Then how did a random guy barge into my room just a few minutes ago?
I am sorry about that, okay?
Oh, you're sorry? So you knew?
Yes, he's actually another tenant.
Another what?
You just have to try and share the kitchen and living room with him.
You didn't mention any of this before I paid. If not, I wouldn't have taken this out. I mean, how do you expect me to cohabit with a guy I know nothing about? A man I know from nowhere.
Listen, I am sorry about that, but just try to coexist. I'm sorry, okay, but just try to coexist with him.
Hold on,
please,
I just need my money back. I need a refund. I can't do this. I can't do this. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? This guy hung up on me. Girl, you need to see the way this guy bashed into my room like he owns the building. So I called the owner of the house and he said, the guy is another tenant and I have to share the living room and kitchen space with him. Can you imagine? This is something he never mentioned before I paid. Girl, you know how particular I can be about my space.
Omo, I know now. Besides, you refused to even come and share my space because you wanted your space to yourself.
Exactly. Now I have to share space with a total stranger. And Adam. I can't do that. This guy needs to refund me. I need to go out there and look for something like somewhere better for myself. I cannot do this now.
Babe, I know, see, you can't get anywhere better than this place, so I will not even lie to you. I've been here the longest. I live here, I know. This space for that amount, seriously, girl, it is nice for that price. If you ask me, there's no better place, so you can't get anywhere half as nice as this place for that price.
How so?
For real now. Think about it. 500K for a duplex on the island. Are you joking? You cannot get a space like that anywhere. Have you forgotten my place? I live in a self-contained. I pay the same amount, 500K, and you cannot even compare my room to this. My room is just half as big as your room. Is it my toilet you want to talk about or my kitchen that looks like a rat hole? Omo, my sister, there's no better place, so if you ask me.
But that your house, Mosha. Especially that your toilet.
Okay now. Okay now.
What do I do? I cannot put up with this guy now.
See, if you ask me, I would just advise you to calm down. Lower your shoulders. It's too high. Calm down. Just live in peace. After all, the guy is not in your face. He's not going to be in your space. You have your room. You dey share room. You dey share toilet. It's only the kitchen. And I don't know how many times you're going to be home to cook. You're going to be out almost all the time. You're going to be at work. So what are you saying? You can coexist without seeing each other. We're not going to see like this. Everybody minds their business. That's what I'm saying. That's what I think you should do. Think about it.
I think I have an idea.
Okay?
I go to frustrate this guy. Like, I'm going to frustrate this guy out of this house. After I go here first. So if there's anyone who needs to leave, it has to be him.
And the shoulder why they talk so bad, you better shoulder pad. Calm down. Calm down, you too spread.
Did you even hear what I said?
There's no reward in arrogance and pride. Calm down. You too do. What's it be this? When you're in a park, they go outside now. Make you see whether you go see. Okay now.
Sharing my space with a man.
As you are leaving me, I'm packing into this place. You can move it to my own house. See this girl.
You should have seen her nasty attitude. Ordering me around in my own house. I don't know why you laughing. It's not funny. Why are you laughing?
Oh, I was amazed. It is, honestly. Tell me, when was the last time you had a woman get under your skin like that? None that I can remember. Can you tell me one?
I beg, that one is your business. The funny thing is I spoke to my lawyer. And he said there's nothing I can do because she paid. She's paid already. And the most I can do is just wait till her rent expires.
My point exactly. You have to wait. Or you politely, ask her to leave. That's after making a refund.
I didn't even think about this refund thing. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because I don't want anybody stressing me in this house.
Okay, that's it.
Jeez.
I'm Sholasha. How bad? I do this funny. I go put person for house when it be your own.
Don't even get me started on that, man. Don't even. Jeez.
Well, guy, just relax, But the thing is, I'm happy to have you back.
Yeah.
I hope you're not leaving anytime soon.
No. I've been thinking we need to settle down. We're not getting any younger now.
Settle down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you know the thing?
Yeah. That's for you. For me. I mean, why settle down when there are lots of fishes in the ocean? Why?
This guy.
Settle down with one person. Come on, man.
This guy, you'll never change. This guy.
You know how they do this?
Talk of the devil.
Babe, wait. Which of them is your neighbor? I mean, your roommate or flatmate, whatever. The bald-headed one, right? Oh my God.
Kai,
What?
which one of them is your roommate?
The first one, light-skinned one, that short devil.
Damn! Kai, that girl is beautiful!
Beautiful demon.
Are you serious? Babe, you didn't tell me this guy is a candy. Ew. What's ew? Candy. No, stop it. That guy is cute.
What's happening now? You don't get high.
I should be asking you that. All these things that you're taking, let's say they turn your head.
Oh! See that girl! See, that girl is beautiful. You know, for a moment, I wanted to just walk up to her and say something sweet.
That guy? Yes. Cute. You don't have eyes for
You're
anything.
blind.
Can you imagine? Don't let him see you.
He's breathtaking. Oh, what is wrong with you?
He's fine.
Can't you see that I'm shaking?
Get a hold of yourself, girl. What is wrong with you? What is going on?
Listen. This guy looks like my kind of man. You know when they say a God-given man? You know, the man in your dream? Have you ever had such dream? This guy.
Girl, come.
It's definitely...
Stop already. What's your problem? That guy is not even all that. And you, Tiara, that I know, you don't believe in that crap. What's my dream, my kind of man?
Oh, well,
come off it, girl. Let's go.
Maybe we can say that I just want to have, just a piece. Remember I said he's like a candy. I said that, didn't I? So I just want to, So please, no matter what happens, you are not leaving this house. You are not, because if you leave this house now, I don't have any reason to come here. No excuse. Do you understand?
You know what? I think I have an idea. How about you move in? That way you don't have any reason to come back. Because you'll be living with him.
I can't.
Why?
My place of work is too far from here, so I can't do that.
Quit your job. Anything for love.
That line, that line sounds like someone I used to know in my past, though.
Okay, I get that. No problem.
Don't worry, I'm not stopping you, girl. Trust
Whatever.
me.
But girl, listen. From a sister to another, stay the hell away from men. Stay away from Adam. They will drag you.
And now I'm going
They
to
will
say,
stain your black.
ew. I am not taking that advice at all. My sister, for every Adam God created, there is an Eve. Alrighty? And I just might be that Eve for him.
I give up.
Make
Whatever
I hear
you think,
say-
girl. Let's go.
Oh God, I'm just...
Are you serious?
I love him.
This guy is not even that cute.
Don't embarrass yourself. That kind of attitude is crappy.
Crappy?
Yeah.
Well, mine is crappy too. And that makes both of us crappy people.
I pity you.
But Baba, forget. My girl is beautiful.
Yeah, I've heard now, this guy.
You don't believe?
Hey, I don't hear.
Hey, Beauty. How are you? Sorry, I was trying to get your attention earlier, but it seems you were engrossed with something.
What do you want?
Listen, I learned you're my friend's new housemate, so I wanted to introduce myself to you as a gentleman. My name is Oluwatobi, but you can feel free to call me Toby.
And you? Why did you bring in a stranger to my apartment?
Excuse you.
Excuse you? Bro, you just moved in here just yesterday, right? And you're already inviting everybody you know. What is wrong with you? It is punishment enough that I have to see your ugly face every day. Now this cockroach?
Come on, don't be like... You know you want to see my face every day, you know.
Your dreams. Bro, you're delusional.
I wish I was.
Listen, I don't have time for this, okay? I do not want to see this thing or whatever. I don't want to see anybody in my house again, okay?
In your house, what would you
Get
do
out.
if I did that? No, what would you do?
Get out.
Crazy.
Oh, you need to be coming down for these girls.
What did you heard what she said? Didn't you hear the nonsense she said?
I heard her, but I'm sure she didn't mean it.
Are you serious?
She was only trying to be careful.
Let me ask you, whose side are you on?
Come on! Of course, I'm on your side, man. I'm here for you. She was only trying to be careful. You know, she's a woman.
Well, I don't get... Listen, I think I'm going to do her a refund. Because I don't understand all this kind of energy in my own house.
Oh, come on, won't be like that. Take it easy, okay? There's not time for that. There's no need for all this quarrel. But if you decide to do that, bro, just know I'm with you, okay?
I do, man. I need your account details. I'm willing to pay you any amount of money you want just to get out of here. Listen, this is an opportunity. It's an opportunity for you to just call whatever amount you want and it will be yours. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Just give me your account details and all this will be sorted out.
Hi. Yeah, I can hear you. No, that's my dog barking. Yeah, I can hear you.
Dog. Dog, really?
Girl, you need to see the way this guy walked up to me and said, call your account number. Let me send you money. Just get out of this house. I'll pay you anything to leave this house. That guy has pride, though. Tiara, get hold of yourself, girl. Trust me now, I didn't say anything. If we were there, you would think I've gone deaf or dumb. He's even lucky I didn't say anything, girl. Because I don't understand. You have that much money and you're here fighting for a rented space. Why don't you just go out and buy yourself a house or something? You're forming a odogu in another man's house. Give me your account number. Let me send you money. Get out of this. This boy. You better come and drag your crush out of this house. Come and drag your crush out of this house. Because if I open my mouth to insult him, okay, I just don't want to be rude. You know me, I don't want to be rude. That's why I didn't say anything. I don't want to insult him. Calling him a dog is not an insult. Like, he's so lucky I didn't say anything other than that. Girl, I plan for this guy, you. Like, I have plans for him. By the time I am done with him in this house, he will pack his bags and run out of this house. Like, he will run with his 2 legs. Tiara, you say rest. What's your problem? My dear friend, it went well. I even forgot to tell you. I'll be starting work by next week. So, everything is okay. Thank you. When am I seeing you?
Gina! Gina, where's my food?
And what kind of stupid question is that?
Gina, please. I'm too hungry right now to do this with you. I bought food earlier. I put it in the fridge so that I could eat it later and it's not there. So what happened to it?
So somehow you think providing me with all this boring information is going to trigger me to do what exactly? Remember what your food is? I told you already, I don't know. So please, get out.
Gina, we're the only ones in this house.
Oh, are we? I had no idea.
Listen, I don't have strength for this. Just tell me where the food is, please.
Can you leave my space, please? What is wrong with you? Oh, okay, you don't want to go, right? You know, I think I remember. Why don't you check the trash can? Let's see what you can find.
Gina, you threw my food in the trash.
I did. Actually, it was smelling like trash. So I had to, exactly the way you smell.
Gina!
Excuse me?
Are you talking to me? Am I the one you're talking to?
Are you blind or something? Can't you see you're obstructing my path?
Well, the way I see it, you're in my way as well. So it's either you step aside and let me pass. That's the only option.
You must be very stupid to think I will actually do that.
Okay, then we can both stay here.
Don't let me push you.
Push me? Really? You want me to push me?
I see, huh? You wanted the hard way, huh? Let's see how you cope. We're both gonna be here.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry. You know, you're very rude. And at this rate, it will be difficult for you to get a man.
Oh, and who asked you?
Nobody, I'm just a good person, dishing out free advice. Because it's people like you 10 years from now who will be running from church to church, wondering who tied your man. And who knows if I was destined to marry you? But at this rate, with this your attitude, I don't think I want to do that.
Wait, you actually think I want to marry you?
Don't tell me you haven't thought about it. Come on, you know that's all you think about.
You know, I already know you're delusional, but I didn't know you were sick in the head as well. You need a psychiatrist.
And you need to be groomed. Because, like I said before, very soon you start running from pillar to post looking for a man.
You know what? I'm going to be the bigger person, and I'll step aside for you to pass.
Oh, wait, why? Are you tired? Because I can stay here all day. I'm not tired.
Enjoy your show, please.
I'm not tired at all.
Can you pass, please?
I thought you had guts. I thought you were going to stand there all day. Oh.
Hi, T. Babes, I want to ask you a question, and I really want you to be honest with me. Do you think Emeka left me because I have a terrible attitude? Yeah. I'm good. I just have a lot on my mind. No, I'm not. I'm okay. Let me call you back, okay?
What? Damn. What? Put some respect on my name. You didn't give me the name.
What is this? What manner of death is this, for Christ's sake?
Was it dirty? I had no idea. Really? Yeah.
Like, you should be so ashamed of yourself. Like, what manner of human being are you? I can't even breathe. How can a grown-ass man like you be this dirty? Have you no shame?
No, I don't have any shame. You took all the shame in the world. There's none left for anybody else.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Get out. What did you do? Did you put oil here? Did you smear oil on this floor?
Oh my God. No, I really enjoyed that show, you know? Now you listen. The next time I walk in on this living room, this dirty, you'll be so surprised at what next I can do.
You're a witch.
Dirty.
You're a witch. You know, I'm going to leave this place like this and I want to see what you can do. You want to kill me? See this girl.
Hey, wait.
Rotimi, are you okay?
No, why are you banging on my door like that?
Rotimi, can't you see it's late?
So?
I am trying to work. I need to concentrate. Can you turn off this music?
No, I need the music to sleep.
Oh, so because you want to sleep, I can't work anymore. Is that what you're saying?
I should ask you the same question. Because you want to work, I shouldn't sleep?
This boy. You've been in this house for days and I've not heard any single music from your room. And all of a sudden you need a loud music to sleep. Is that it? Rotimi, why are you trying to frustrate me? What is your problem?
Well, it just started tonight. And if you don't mind, I need to go back to bed. Good night.
Rotimi,
Sit down.
turn off that music. Turn off!
Don't come in. Don't come in here.
Just when I thought nothing could possibly go wrong. Hey girl. Terrible. This guy is literally driving me insane. Can you believe that this guy turned off the water this morning while I was having my bath? When I told you I'm living with the devil, you thought I was joking, right? This guy is evil. Or you just supported him? I beg. I don't have time for this. I have to get ready for work. I just have to fix this dress because I don't think I have any other thing to wear. I'll call you back later, okay? What do I do with this now? I don't even have...
Whoa.
Wow. Gina, right? You remember me, Toby? I introduced myself to you the other day. You know, Gina is such a very lovely name. Trust me.
I thought you were just leaving.
Yes, about that. But I changed my mind after seeing you. And who wouldn't? You're such a beauty.
What do you want?
Listen, Gina, we're not fighting, all right? We're not fighting. All I want is to get to know you more. And get you to know me more.
How is that my business? Did I ever say that I want to get to know you?
Listen, Gina. I know you didn't say you want to know me. But the truth is, I really do like you. And I'd like for us to have something.
Oh, you like me?
Yes, I do.
So what do you like about me?
Well, I mean, you're such a beautiful girl.
You like me because I am beautiful. So what happens tomorrow when you find a more beautiful woman, huh?
Listen, that's not what
Listen, boy, don't ever cross my path again. Have I made myself clear? Get lost.
Listen, Gina, I'm not going to stop, you know? I won't stop till I let you know how much you mean to me.
Surprise! Look who is here. Come here, girl. What? Why are you looking at me like that?
What are you doing here?
Like, seriously? Is that what you saw a friend you haven't seen for a while? Look at this girl. No, it means you didn't miss me as much as I miss you.
You know that's not what I mean.
No, that's what you mean. Because I missed you, and that's why I came here. And guess what? I'm going to be here for the weekend because I'm not working this weekend. So, well, let me just settle in. Pop my bag here nicely. So, what's up? Why are you looking at me like that? You never see Afghans before. I don't understand. I mean, you never see fine babe. I beg, see. Guess what? I am here. Live and direct. I take your house. This is the same me that people pay to see. Girl, I just graced you with my presence for the weekend. You know, easy.
Wait,
Wow.
I don't understand you, Sha, but I don't know. There's this
What?
that guy.
I knew it. I just knew it. My old friend, Tiara. I miss you. I just knew you wanted to come and see Adam. So you came here to see Adam.
I don't understand.
He didn't come to see me.
What is bad if I came to see Adam? My sister.
My dear
Since
friend.
Adam has refused to come to Eve, Eve has come to Adam. There's nothing bad in seeing Adam. Me, I will see Adam. What's in that?
Okay.
It's all part of the package. You are part of the package. Do you understand? So that's in one kind of. Is it one?
I don't know. I don't understand. Like, am I his keeper or something?
How about you should know now, girl? What's up now? What's up? What's up? Give me updates. What's up?
Hey, you know his room, right? Like I saying.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey. So I figured we haven't properly been introduced, so I decided to do that. I am Tiara, her best friend.
Yeah, I'm Rotimi. Nice to meet you.
Rotimi.
Yeah.
So what do you do?
I code. Yeah, code.
Coding.
Yeah.
So you're into tech?
Uh-huh.
I learned that's the new oil money. You must be very rich.
I don't know if I'm rich. I think I should ask myself. Rotimi, are you rich? Are you rich? I don't know.
So you tell me. I know you are.
I don't know.
So I think you will be fun to be with.
Yeah, well, if your friend was anything like you, then I wouldn't have a problem living with her.
As for my friend, don't be too quick to judge her. She's actually a sweet person. For real. Trust me.
Yeah.
Alright? She's only behaving like this because she's had like terrible experiences in the past. Yeah. But don't worry. She'll come around. So I hope you will understand.
I don't think I want to.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, don't kill my friend for me.
She should be the one you give that warning to, not me. She wants to kill me. Yeah.
Well, are you going to ask?
Ask what?
Are you going to ask for my number, or you want me to ask for yours? I can actually ask.
No, yeah, sure. I mean, I'll do that. That's
Well, I
fine.
don't even mind asking because you're very cute. Okay, my number.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Your
I'm just
number?
going to flash you.
Okay. That's your number, right?
Yeah, it is my number.
Okay.
Here you go.
Alright.
All right?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Sure.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just gonna take this out.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll just
Yeah, sure. I guess I'll be seeing you around then.
see you.
And I'll
around.
give you a call.
All right. Bye.
Yeah. I got that.
Nice to meet ya.
Oh. Wow.
Really? Really? Which one is really? Really? Really now, is it? I need not one really. I talk another thing. Why you dey look me like that? I don't understand. Why? Babe, what are you doing?
I have work to finish.
Okay. Talking about work, my goodness. I totally forgot to ask you about your first day at work. How was it? Sorry.
Why would you forget? No, Tiara, tell me, why wouldn't you forget when all you have in your head is man, Adam, man?
Not today. I might not be today. You actually get some party. You that thing. See, guy. So how was your day at work? Just tell me.
Well, I think I like it here. Yeah, I like this branch more than the one in Go.
Oh, that's nice to hear. That's
yeah.
nice to hear.
So, they are expanding and they are focusing more on selling online.
Okay.
Yeah. So they compiled this new committee that I'm to handle.
Okay.
And I'm to work closely with some tech guy.
A tech guy.
Yeah.
So where is he?
So according to my boss, he's out of the country. I'll be back in a week or two. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know.
I just hope he's not going to be an asshole like the one I'm living with.
Yeah. You have to you have to take it easy on this guy. See, seriously, this guy is not as bad as you think. I'm telling you, take it from me. I know what I know. That guy. That guy is sweet, so.
Why are you always defending this guy?
Babe, I know they defend the guy.
Because I saw how you were smiling when you walked in.
Ooh.
Like what kind of ghost? They just roast.
Good morning, pretty.
What are you doing in front of my door?
Oh, calm down. It's too early for this. Listen, I got you this.
Wow. I see you took a job as a delivery boy. Aw. Sorry, but you got the wrong address.
Come on, but it's just a flower for you.
It's a flower for me. What am I, a dog?
No!
I'm gonna take your left leg and get out of this place. And you, keep your stray dog out of my property.
This girl is a dummy. Just because you paid rent doesn't make you the owner of the property, dummy. If there's any dog here, it's you.
My guy.
This guy, you don't get tired of embarrassing yourself, do you? Huh?
That girl is a very fine girl. What?
She just called you a dog.
Oh, well, she has called you a dog before, you know. Who knows? Maybe that's her love language.
Stop embarrassing yourself.
Oh, calm down. You want some flour?
Come now, what did they do for that? You don't want to collect this.
Bald-headed goats.
Babe, what happened? You sounded really urgent over the phone. Are you okay?
Girl, you won't believe what just happened. I was shocked when my boss introduced him as the new tech guy.
Introduced who?
Who else? The devil. With me.
Oh, really?
God.
But I thought your boss said the new tech guy is going to come from one country, blah, blah, blah. He's been out of the country for a while.
You know exactly.
But Rotimi has been around. So how is he the one?
I honestly don't know how that guy did that. But why me? Like, why me? Why do I have to be the one to work with him? There are 1,001 tech guys out there. Why him?
I don't know. But then again, what are you going to do?
I don't know. I honestly wish I know.
Okay, how about you tell your boss to, give the contract or job to someone else, change him or something?
No. Girl, I just started this job. I just got transferred and this is literally my first project, so I can't pass on this.
But, babe, I don't know. Rotimi isn't as bad as you think, if you ask me. I mean, the guy is actually sweet.
It means, girl, I live with this guy. I know Rotimi more than anyone else, okay? That guy is pure evil. God, how did I land in this? How did I get myself?
See, babe, you need to calm down at this point. Just calm down, relax. And just put your mind in one place. You're getting agitated because of your perception of him.
It's just bad enough that I have to cope with him in the house. Now at work again. Hey, what kind of punishment is this now, girl? Hey, which kind will I be this?
I don't know, but Rotimi is actually sweet, oh. So me, I would suggest you just calm down. Just take it easy. Positive vibes.
Just don't blame you.
Okay.
What kind of problem is this?
It's like I can't help you, but I know he's sweet, Sha.
Guy, the gig I told you about. It's in that arrogant girl's company. I'm telling you. You should have seen the look on her face. Priceless. That's a moment I'd like to relive over and over again. No. I'm beyond happy. I'm elated. I want to show that girl what it means to step on my toes. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later. Okay, gotta go. All right.
Can we talk?
Oh, you're talking to me? I didn't know you could talk in such a low tone. Really? Okay.
Without wasting both of our time, I'm sure you already know we're working together. So, I would like us to talk and decide on how to go about it. Rotimi.
That's my name.
Did you hear anything I just said?
What did you say?
Rotimi!
This is the thing that I was waiting for. Unfortunately, I'm playing a very important game, so I'm pretty busy right now. So.
I'm talking about work and you're talking about a video game.
It's a very important game, actually, so we'll talk when I'm less busy. Oh my days.
Rotimi, it's been days now and you're yet to say anything about the project.
Good afternoon to you too.
Rotimi, we have limited time. Please, can we get to work?
No, you didn't respond to my greeting.
Good afternoon to you too. Can we get to work now?
No, I'm not in the mood for work right now.
Rotimi, do you realize we have 2 weeks for this job? And a whole week has passed. Nothing to show for it. And here you are telling me what? You're not ready for work? Are you being serious right now? Are you sick in the head or something?
You know, you're not going to open your mouth and yell at me. Do you understand what I'm saying? I just told you I am not in the mood. When I'm in the mood, we'll work.
I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to get me fired. I know what to do. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to my boss's office to report you. And I will tell him you're trying to jeopardize this project.
Do you need me to send you some transport money so you can go? Because I don't even know why you're waiting for tomorrow. You can go now.
You're sick in the head.
Is that why you... Oh my God. I know you're looking at me. Don't spy. Stop spying. Stop spying. I can see you.
Like, how can a man be so petty and dumb at the same time? I just felt like strangling him.
My dear, good a thing you didn't to her.
I know I didn't now, but later, I'm sure I would. What is this?
But seriously, I don't know how the both of you have managed to live in this house without killing yourselves. Because sometimes I'm scared, I'm worried. When I see your call, I'm asking myself, has my friend killed someone? You know, wondering if the police are calling me for an emergency or something.
I really wish mother isn't crying. Because that guy would be dead by now. Why is this guy trying to frustrate me? Why is he trying to frustrate me?
Just calm down. We both know you can't hurt a fly.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sadly. But then, I'm tired. Why can't he just go on with this project?
But if you ask me, all you need to do is just to calm down. Like seriously, avoid this guy. You can be in your room, your own space. And you can totally avoid him. Why not just mind your business and stay in your space?
Like, I'm not in his face. I just needed to do this project and that's all.
Well, if you happen to be in the office, it's official, all right? So I don't think it's going to constitute any nuisance in the office. Well, I haven't said all this. What are you planning on doing? Because I don't know.
I think I will do exactly what I told you. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going straight to my boss's office and I'm going to report him. Because I won't let his stupidity ruin my career. Like, I just came here. This is like my first project, for Christ's sake. Like, why is this? Oh my God.
They calm down, Sha. They calm down. They calm down in between. You understand? Nothing they dislike.
This
If they
guy.
kill her now, you go jail. I'll call the visit my friend for prison. It don't make sense.
I mean, she was so irritated, it made me very happy. Extremely happy, actually.
You know, at this point, if I don't know you too well, I would feel you have a thing for this girl. I mean, she's literally in your mouth.
Of course I have a thing for her. Hate, disgust, whatever negative emotion you could think of, yes, that's what I feel.
Wait a sec. You know you need to get this job done as much as she does. You know that, right?
Of course. And I'll get it done within a week.
Within a week?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you're just busy forming and you're still going to do this job?
Of course I'll do it now. They paid me for the job, didn't they? Why won't I do it?
Okay. But you said that she said she was going to report you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, but I've got plans, brother. I've got plans, don't worry. That's me now.
You do?
Not me now. It's me.
I believe you.
Hey, neighbor.
What are you doing here?
Don't we have, like, work to do?
Oh, wow. I see. So all of a sudden you remember you have work to do because I threatened to report you to the boss?
Okay, I get it. I wasn't nice, and neither were you. So, let's call a truce.
What's that your name again? Rotimi. You know, get this rubbish and shove it off your heads. And while you're at it, get ready to be taking off the project tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Babe, what's up? What happened? What is it?
I told you I was going to report into my boss, right?
She did. So?
So I walked into my boss's office. Guess who I saw? The devil. Yes.
No way.
The most annoying part of it is that he lied. So he told the story of being sick for a while and not being able to work, and now he's back and can diligently work on the project. Can you imagine?
Oh my God. That sounds so sleek, you know? I mean, this is just so wrong.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So wrong. Okay, that's not even the end. So he had to flip the whole situation on me, and my boss had to make me apologize to him for being inconsiderate and not reaching out to him because he was sick. The same guy that has been in this house with me, sick.
And yet again, wrong. I mean, really wrong.
Very wrong. Like, why would he do that to me?
Goodness, who does that? Who does that? It's wrong. Seriously, girlfriend, you know, I understand and I feel your pain, okay? I think right now, all you need to do is to calm down. So I'm just going to go into the kitchen and get you a glass of water to just calm down, all right? Because I mean, this is so wrong. Wrong on all levels. Really wrong. I'll be right back.
So what's the theme? Okay. You just realized how handsome I am. And you can't get your eyes off me. That's it, right?
You know, I was just wondering.
What?
How the tech guy that the company sent, whom was supposedly out of the country, has been in this house all this time. But with the stunt you put today, I finally know how. You're just a pathological liar.
As much as I would like to patronize you, I don't quite have the time. I've got work to do, and so do you. So I ask again, what is the theme? Hey. You smell good.
Mind your business.
If only your attitude was that good.
What are you doing?
What?
Listen, you need to change this. Change this. And this too.
I've changed it 4 times already.
Change it again. It's bland.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Remind me of one of my professors back in uni, Professor Izobi. I'm that guy.
Wait. SOB of Unizik. Don't tell me you attended Unizik.
Of course I did. Did you?
No way. Of course I did.
Are you serious?
Wow. Yeah, I was in marketing department, but come on, everybody in school knew Professor Ezobi of computer science.
Yeah.
That one was impossible to please.
I'm telling you, you know the man. That guy, I wonder where he is now.
You didn't hear?
Hear what?
He died.
Are you serious? When?
Yeah, I heard he was in a car accident.
Wow. Anyway, I had no idea you went to the Unizik for real.
Yeah? Same here. Are you serious?
Yeah, okay. No, okay.
Okay, now that I look at it, I think this can go.
Okay.
You don't actually need to change anything.
Okay, so this can work, right?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Are you serious? Unizik.
Hi.
You're back.
Yeah.
So how did it go?
Oh my God, they loved it.
That's good.
Thank you. I don't mean to pry, but I kind of noticed you didn't stick around for the presentation. You just dropped the application and you left.
Yeah, I had a personal issue I needed to sort, but I spoke to your boss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, finally, we're done with this project, so you can move on with our lives.
Yes. Yeah. We will just move on to our personal
Yes.
lives.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Space.
See you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
Hey.
May I?
Yeah, what are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Okay.
Just stopped picking my call, so I was wondering if everything was okay. So I decided to come to your room to ask you why. So
Sorry. I'm
you
sorry.
tell me.
I was busy. I was really I was just busy. So
Busy.
yes.
But you and I know that line is very familiar. In fact, it's cliche. You cannot be too busy for someone you care about. I am busy, but I take my time out to call you.
Yeah.
So?
What are you doing? How's your friend Gina? Because like I noticed she's always like angry with a chip on her shoulder. Why is she so angry? Why is she always angry? You know?
You know what? Don't worry about my friend. She's not such an angry bird.
So what's her problem?
You know, in all fairness to Gina, she's been through a lot. I won't even lie. For someone who's been through that in life,
Yeah.
she's even doing well.
Been through what?
Can you believe it? Her supposed husband left her on her wedding day. No, I mean her supposed wedding day, and got married to someone else. So she got the news. She was already in a wedding dress.
Oh, she was meant to get married.
Of course, she was meant to get married.
Oh, hey. I'm sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, I just have a lot of work I need to finish up, so...
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let me just take this out.
No, please. Don't do this.
Oh, you seem to be a very shy guy, right?
Yeah.
Really? But you don't come across as a shy person. Do you know what? Listen, you come.
Yeah.
You're my baby, all right? So I am going to take it slow.
Okay, yeah.
I'm going to take it slow. One step at a time.
Don't do this.
All right?
It's beautiful there. Hey, housemate. Come join the party. Come.
Hey. You've had enough.
What are you doing?
Hey, shh, you've had enough.
What are you doing? Give me my drink. Give it back.
Okay, wait. You've had enough. What?
I know you. And I know what you're trying to do. He sent you, right? Emeka sent you. He sent you to know how I'm faring. Tell him I'm doing okay.
Hey, shh.
Can't you see I'm glowing?
Hey, nobody sent me.
Get out! Know him. I can live without him.
Okay. Let me take it. It's okay. Hey.
Ouch.
Hey.
What?
Hey. Good morning. This should help with the hangover.
What are you doing in my room?
You don't remember anything from last night, do you?
I was drinking and... Did you take everything away?
Hey,
Please, that's the last thing I'd ever do. I just brought you in here, and when I knew you were fine, I left. Came to check up on you and bring this as well. Here.
Hey. Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Can I talk to you a little later?
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So, what's going on? I had a lot to drink last night. Oh. I'm so sorry, G. Sorry I wasn't here. I know yesterday is your relationship anniversary with that Emeka guy.
It's because we're still together.
Of course, I know you're no longer together, but I mean, it's the first time in 5 years you are alone on that day. So ordinarily, I should be here with you as a friend, but I'm sorry I didn't make it.
It's fine, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Don't I look okay?
Okay, if you say so, who am I to insist? So, what was Rotimi doing here in your room?
You know, you're actually right about him.
Okay.
He's calm, cool, and so last night I had too much to drink and I passed out, so he kept me company.
He kept you company? And you are narrating this with all the smiles on your face.
I'm not smiling. What do you mean by that?
You are not smiling. Please, is there anything I'm missing out on?
Girl, come on, stop it now. Moreover, I know that you like this guy, so why would I want to have anything to do with him?
Oh, okay.
Moreover, why would I even allow any guy to do the same thing Emeka did to me? Come on, you know I hate men, right?
Oh, wait, I thought you're over Emeka. You're still there?
No, of course I'm over him. I'm just giving you reasons why Rotimi and I can't be an item.
Okay, if you say so, who am I to insist?
Ouch.
Actually, I was a bit taken aback when I saw him in this room, but now I know better.
Can you help me drop that?
Thank you. You should just put yourself together. I mean, I don't know how to nurse a sick person or a drunk person.
Papa, not like joke. I don't go like this. I don't see this baby.
I thought you had given up on that girl now.
What are you saying? I love this babe, man. Look, that means you're my friend and you don't know me too well. I can't give up on that girl until she gives in, man.
Okay, and then what? You leave her heartbroken. Why do you want to do that to that girl? Why would you want her to love you without loving her back? I don't understand. Why the baby? I know you.
Baba, who is talking about heartbroken? I'm not going to do that.
Baba, let it go, I beg. Because I know you. Hey, you're home.
Yeah, I just got back not long ago.
Oh, okay. Please.
What are you watching?
I know Titanic.
Titanic. Don't tell me you're watching it for the first time.
Rewatching is the word. It was my twin sister's favorite movie.
Oh, you have a twin sister?
Had. She passed away on this day 5 years ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bring back old memories.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I just like to watch this because I really don't like being alone, so I invited my friend, but he's snoring in my room,
He's doing a terrible job then.
Yeah, I know.
Rotimi, I didn't get to thank you for the other night. I mean, I was in a pretty bad place. It was my ex-9's anniversary. I know it's not a big deal, but he would make a big deal out of it. This is the first time I'm spending it without him in the past 5 years. So it kind of got me messed up. Thank you for sticking around. Thanks for the company.
It's okay, but you passed out anyway, so.
Oh, I did. That was embarrassing.
It was. Oh, dude, you're awake. Yeah, sure. Good night. Yeah. What's up, man? How far?
What was that about?
No, we're just talking.
We're just talking.
Yeah.
You know, I know what I saw. I'm not a child.
Toby, it's not. Come on, it's not what.
Hold on. You like her?
No, dude.
Come on. How can you do that?
What?
You know how I feel about that girl. How can you do that to me?
No, we're just talking.
You mean so much for friendship.
Toby.
You know,
Toby, wait. Dude, we're just.
Hey, dude, you like what to me, don't you? No, I don't. I mean, it's weird. You know I hate him, right?
I saw the both of you.
Girl, I was only returning a favor. You know he kept me company the other night, so there's nothing to it, I promise. It's nothing serious.
You know what? I think you'll actually look cuter if you stop lying to yourself. Excuse me.
your phone.
Don't worry about it. I don't want to talk to her.
Gina?
How did you know?
But you just said it now.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
What happened?
You know, Gina betrayed me, and I'm so angry.
Really?
Yes. Gina and your friend. You won't believe that. Gina went behind my back to fall for your friend, despite knowing that I am in love with him. I just found out about it.
Well, do you know, I'm angry with Rotimi and Gina for the same reason.
Really?
Yes.
You know, I have fantasized being with your friend. And Gina is aware. She knows. I discussed every of my move with her, but she still went behind my back to do this to me. And your friend with his big head. He knows I like him, because I've told him.
That's my predicament, exactly.
Did you just say you like my friend?
Yes, I thought I did, but I thought about it.
Okay.
And then I found out that I haven't really met this woman who was immune to my charms. So I decided to go for her. But I thought that I'm not going to go after her again just because of my friend. I mean, it drives me crazy.
In other words, you getting my friend is just about your ego, right? She's just a sport.
Well, isn't that the same thing you're doing with my friend?
You don't have to rub it in. Well, do you think your friend really loves her?
Yeah, he does.
For real?
I'm sure.
Well, then I guess I just have to lick my wounds. What can I do? I've been the one pushing and trying to make this work. I've been trying to make myself visible. But your friend doesn't even see me. He doesn't look at me. So I guess I'll just let him be, since you're in love. Well, I know my friend really likes him. Alright? And you say your friend likes her too, so the both of them can just, have a thing. No one knows. I'll be fine eventually.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's okay. And that makes us both losers.
Cheers to us losers and to finding love again.
Finding love again.
Hey, T, where have you been?
I'm sorry I stormed out like that.
It's okay.
As for Rotimi, it is very obvious that I'm the one who's trying to push things. I'm trying to make him see me, but apparently I'm so invincible to him. So it's not really cute of me to keep, doing that. Because I've observed keenly. I see the way you look at him. And I see the way he looks at you. Even though I know you would want to, deny that.
Yeah, there's nothing going on, really. I promise. I don't even like him.
You know what? Just let me finish, okay? I have a lot to say. You remember the night of your anniversary? I had a dinner planned with Rotimi. A dinner that I pushed. But he consented. Guess what? He didn't show up. Why? Because he was with you. What does that mean? It simply means he likes you.
I'm so sorry, girl. I had no idea I kept him away from you.
Seriously, I'm not saying this for you to apologize to me. That's not my point. Alright? My point exactly is there is something you both are trying to deny. But I'm an adult. I see things. You don't need to tell me. I observe. Alright? I have seen the fire in your eyes when you look at him. And I also see the way he looks at you. Alright? The same Rotimi wouldn't have the time to have a conversation with me because I asked for us to talk. But he said he didn't have the time. But I saw the both of you in a chat. He had the time to talk to you. I mean, all this goes to say that I'm just the one trying to push, and I'm really done doing that. Alright?
Baby girl, I think you're exaggerating this whole thing. I don't even like this guy in question.
Yeah, I knew you were going to say that. Listen, Gina, I have known you all my life. I'm your friend. I know you better than you know yourself. You're this kind of girl that likes to live in denial. Exactly. You're trying to lie to me and you're lying to yourself at the same time.
No, I'm not lying.
Yeah, of course you're not lying. But listen. Whatever it is you want to push with this guy, it's fine. It's fine by me. I'm a strong girl. I'll survive it. Alright? I really didn't like him per se. You know I'm a flex. Everybody knows that. So I was just trying to play with him. So if you think you like him and he likes you, don't worry about me. Just go ahead. Do your thing. There's so many fishes in the river. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
So, are we good?
Of course.
Are you sure?
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Go ahead. Do whatever you want to do. Just leave me out of it. I'm fine.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, you look stunning.
Thank you. Tiara made me dress for our office party.
You serious? Because Toby made me do the same thing. I'm actually waiting for him.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, he sent a voice note.
Oh, good. This girl.
Okay. You don't have to do this if you don't want to.
I know. We can't let their effort go to waste, right?
Right.
So let's do it.
Right.
TNT have the weirdest taste in movies.
I mean, what in the name of movies is this? I'm definitely scoring them a 0 on movie night. This is awful.
And it's 2 for that horrible dinner.
Oh
Like that
my
food
goodness.
taste. Oh.
It was terrible. And a 2 for the setup. Because imagine, oh my goodness, imagine allowing us get dressed, deceiving us that we're going for what, their office party or something.
This guy.
What in the name of deception is that?
I don't know. Oh my god. What?
Your smile. It's like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I'm glad we did this.
Popcorn?
Yes. Yeah, there's a note?
Yes.
Yeah, what does it say?
It says you can't pass on this if you read it.
Okay, so I'm scared.
I am too.
I'm officially scared.
So what do you think we should do?
If we pass on this,
Okay.
then we'll never know what's in the notes. And if we read it, what if they ask for one of our kidneys or something?
Oh. Homo Tiara knows better than ask for that. She knows I have just one left, so nah.
Oh, you know what? We could read it and we don't have to do what it says.
We have to follow the rules. That's the plan.
Okay, in that case, we'll definitely pass. Yeah, let's pass. We'll pass.
Yeah, let's pass.
No.
Okay,
Open it. No, you do it.
Okay.
Let's see what is this.
Whew. Kiss each other for a minute.
Okay. Can I?
Do we have a choice?
That easy. Yeah, it was easy. It wasn't so hard, you know. Yeah.
I should go to bed now.
Yeah, it was ridiculous thinking that they were gonna ask for a kidney, but yeah, good night, you know.
Good night.
Yeah.
Thanks for dinner.
You're welcome.
So good night.
Can I? Hey.
What are you doing here?
Okay, that's cold. Anyway, I made lunch.
Get out.
What?
I said get out.
Okay, you could join me for lunch if you want.
Are you deaf or something? Get out of this
place.
Excuse me, is there a problem?
Don't make me push you. Get
Hey,
out.
Okay.
I don't come anywhere close to me again.
Hey, can we talk about
We need to talk.
I have nothing to say to you.
Okay, then maybe listen.
I don't want to listen to you either.
So you tell me what the hell is going on. You've been giving me attitude, and at least let's talk about it.
What is your problem? Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to have anything to do with you, so please.
I thought we shared a kiss.
A kiss? Wait. Because we shared a kiss, so we're now what? Bonnie and Clyde. Bro, please, come off it. It was just a simple kiss and nothing else.
But you know it wasn't a simple kiss. Look me in the eyes and tell me you feel nothing, and I will not bother you again.
Have I been singing? Listen, I feel absolutely nothing for you. And please don't bother me again. Get out. Stay away from me, please.
Okay.
So, what's the update with you and Rotimi?
Can you not mention that name to me again?
Why? Why shouldn't I? What happened? Did he hurt you?
No, he didn't.
So?
We kissed. What do you mean by so?
You kissed, okay, so.
That shouldn't have happened, you know.
Why? I mean, it's just a kiss. For a guy you love, obviously.
And when did I tell you that? When did I ever mention loving Rotimi or whatever his name is? Listen, Tiara, this is all your fault, you know, right? Because you keep insisting I talk to this guy and setting up these stupid dinner movie dates with him. I mean, if not for all this rubbish you did, we won't have been here today.
Gina, this is so unfair. It's so unfair of you to say this to me. When you know I'm doing all this for your own good.
I don't understand. Did I ask you to?
Oh, really?
No, when did I ask you to do it?
Gina, you know you're becoming really bitchy lately. Like, seriously, you're going to continue like this, treating men and everybody that comes into your life like this just because of what one stupid Emeka did to you in the past. Is that? Listen, if you continue like this, you're going to end up alone one day because not everybody will tolerate it. People will keep walking out of your life. Nonsense.
Where is this guy? It's been 3 days now and he's not back yet. Oh my God. Why am I thinking about him? Should I call him? Oh, I'll sound desperate. God, let me go to shower. He's not anywhere, God. Where do I find him? I have checked his room everywhere, no sign of him. Where could he be? I think he's back. I think he's back. Where have you been? I came to check up on you and can you talk to me, please?
Don't touch me.
I miss you.
What exactly do you want from me? I need to ask you, what exactly do you want from me? Because at some point you don't want anything to do with me. I'm bothering you, and now you miss me. What is it? The world doesn't revolve around you, you know that.
Rotimi, I was scared. I gave my all to Emeka. And that includes my kidney.
What?
He was the love of my life. So he fell ill. And there was no help coming forth. The doctors were wasting time in getting a donor. I was a match. Because I didn't want to lose the man that I love, I decided to donate one of my kidneys to him. Even though everyone around me warned me against it. After everything I did for love, guess what? Emeka didn't even think it twice to abandon me at that altar on our wedding day. And he married someone else that same day.
It was terrible. It was terrible of him. It was cruel.
Ever since then, I just can't bring myself down to trust anyone. I mean, if a man I gave my kidney to would abandon me just like that, without even thinking twice, who wouldn't?
Except I don't need your kidneys to fall for you.
I don't even have any more to donate, so...
Ginny, when I first met you, I thought you were arrogant, you were petty. I hated your guts, and I know the feeling was mutual. Somewhere along the line, I don't know where, but you grew on me. I found myself thinking about you every day. I found myself longing for you even though you were just a room away from me. I fell in love with you, Gina. I've fallen head over heels in love and I don't know how it happened. I'm not Emeka. I'll never treat you like he did. I don't know how to prove this to you, but if you give me a chance, I'll treat you like the queen you are.
Gina, I thought you said you're sick.
So sorry I had to lie. I just wanted you to come here early.
Goodness, why did you do this to me?
I'm sorry.
So what's up?
So, see, I want to apologize to you for the way I spoke to you the last time you were here. You know, you were actually right. I haven't entirely forgotten about Emeka, and even though I was pretending to have.
Oh.
But now, your baby girl has decided to give love another chance.
Oh my God.
All thanks to you, baby girl.
Onions crying.
Thank you so much for everything.
I can't believe this. Goodness, I'm so happy for you.
I know, right? Thank you for being the best friend anyone can ever ask for. I love you so much.
Period. Girl.
Okay.
So?
I have a good news, girl. Guess what?
Feel it already.
Guess what?
I kind of have an idea, but I want to hear from you.
Rotimi and I are officially together.
I know, right?
So,
and this is the best news ever. So gist me, how did this even happen?
thank you. So, we're together, and you know, I thought about the things you said, and
I want to enter into your throat and bring out this gist.
just me now before I struggle. Do you like this one?
Yeah, I think it's beautiful now. This one is nice.
I don't like it.
Why?
I think my pose is weird.
No. It's really nice.
Okay.
real.
How about this? I think I like this one.
This one is good.
Hey.
Shola?
Hey, cuz.
Oh no, fine.
What's up?
I'm good.
Which kind of landlord? I don't understand. Did I tell you that I own a house? This is the owner of the house now. Did I tell you that the house belonged to my brother? Cuz, what's up now?
Shola, fine.
I did. The gate man outside said you were inside with Madam. Did you come back with your wife?
Let me do the introductions. Gina, this is Shola, my cousin, criminal. Shola, Gina, my girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, when did this one start?
Babe, this is my landlord.
I don't understand. I said I am not your landlord. I told you the house belonged to my cousin. This is the cousin. He is the landlord.
Shola, I know what you did. Don't worry. Enter inside. We'll have that conversation later.
Hope you didn't finish the drink.
Be going. We'll talk later. I know what you did. Criminal. Wow.
Wait, babe, hold on.
Uh-huh.
You mean you own this house?
Uh-huh.
And you allowed me to treat you the way I did? Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
No. Sorry, it's not going to cut it. Not after the physical, psychological, and emotional trauma you put me through. There has to be some sort of punishment.
Sorry.
Maybe I'll just kick you out of the house. I don't know, maybe because you're cute, I'll give you a kiss. A kiss should be enough. Come here.
Oh, God. This...
Come here.
Get out.
What? So you mean this house belongs to Rotimi?
Carol, I'm telling you. Like, I was so shocked when I learned that. This guy.
Oh my goodness. So you were actually trying to frustrate him out of his own house?
I'm telling you. He was so calm about it.
You know, this guy must really love you.
I know,
to have
right?
tolerated all your shits. Girl, you were full of shits, you know.
Listen, babes, wow. I really have this strong conviction that I got it right this time.
Right?
Yeah, because this guy loves me. And I'm really at peace with him.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm so happy for you,
Thank
girl.
you. Thank you.
And I kind of think that his cousin is cute.
See,
What?
I don't understand too. Did you hear me say anything?
I just said I think he's cute. Did I say anything else?
Oh yeah, of course I heard you.
Okay, so I'm really excited because it's my best friend's birthday. All right, and I want us to, should we cut the cake before singing happy birthday?
No, we sing first.
Oh, we sing first.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gina. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's your turn to cut the cake. Okay. So we're going to cut the cake by spelling Gina. Yeah. So let's go. Give me a G.
G.
Give me an I.
I.
N.
M.
And A.
A.
Gina. I'm so happy. Goodness. So happy for you. Congratulations, my love. Oh my God. Oh, spotted onion. Thank you so much.
Calm down.
Thanks so much, girl. I really appreciate it. It's nothing. You are my best friend. Thank you. Oops. You know what? You whatever you get tonight, you deserve.
Absolutely.
Right? So I need you turn around slowly. Close your eyes. Oh my God.
Gina.
I have a few words.
Go Gina, go Gina, go Gina, go. Oh my goodness. That's my best friend.
Knowing you
Yeah.
has been nature's greatest gift to me. And loving you has been the most beautiful moment of my life.
Yes.
Now will you make my life even more beautiful
Can you say yes?
by spending the rest of your life?
Yes. Thank you. I love you too much.
Yeah. That's what it is. It is what it is.
I need to close my eyes right now. I don't want to watch.
That wasn't a joke.
Come on now.
Don't talk to me again.
Sorry. There's something I want. Let me clean it for you now. Come and clean it. No,
Where?
here,
Here.
there. Oh,
Where?
here. Here.
Okay.
No.
I don't know. Okay, no, sorry, okay.
Okay. Okay, let's feed each other.
What if I don't want your ice cream?
Why? Why would you want ice cream?
Stop! Can you be serious?
Okay, let's do this. I almost choked you. Sorry. Sorry.
Do you want to kill me?
Sorry. I almost choked you. Sorry.
Okay.
So you make my turn now. No,
I'm not as evil as you. Just calm down
Just put
and
it in
you'll
my
enjoy
mouth.
it.
Just put it in my mouth.
Oh my God. Oh.
Really? You're going to have to clean it because I'm going to leave it there.
Okay. What were you thinking? You want me to kiss you?
Are you teasing me?
No, I'm not.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I'm going to leave it there until you take
So
it
tell
off.
me.
I'm not saying anything until you clean this thing.
Okay.
I'm not going to go anywhere until you take it off. Because you messed up my face. Where are you going?
I'm coming.
Where are you running to? Oh, man.